Alright guys, getting ready to do the bell tower, all the way up there.
Whoa, 414. What she says anyway.
Let's go. What are you thinking? Good?
Good. I'm already tired though.
Harder than yesterday.
A fourth of the way and I'm tired.
Uh-oh. Sorry, we gotta push through. This is a really nice section right here though, see?
Stop.
This is a
Nice
really
rest
nice little rest spot.
spot. Don't freak look up. I see the bell.
Michael, we are 1/3 of the way up the bell tower. What do you think so far?
Tired.
Is it harder or not as hard as the Duomo?
Not as hard.
Right there, huh? Not as hard? I don't like it because all you do is go around the outside of this one. And the Duomo was a little bit more, there was more change, like circular, cylindrical stairs. It broke it up, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Woo!
That is awesome.
Halfway up the bell tower.
Yeah. 223 steps.
Nice.
Woo!
Nice view of the Duomo.
Oh, the Duomo.
Cupola.
Cuca.
All right, Logan.
Yeah.
How many steps?
412.
412. They said 414.
They're wrong.
What?
Yes.
Huh? All right, Logan, we're at the top of the bell tower. What'd you think?
I think it was a lot of fun coming up. It was a lot harder than the that thing, the Duomo, because I feel like even though it's a bit shorter, it was like the steps happened a lot faster. They were like more steep.
And there were people going both ways, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think that was harder.
Yeah, and like how small the stairwell was, it was like really had to squeeze through.
Yeah.
449 over there. 412.
Yeah, that's coming from the Duomo. That's loud. Apartment right there. Last night we had dinner in the piazza. Yesterday we were up there. Not bad, Florence. I think we're getting down faster than we went up. All right, Michael, tell me about your favorite thing in Florence so far.
Climbing the Duomo.
Climbing the Duomo?
Yeah.
Did you like the Duomo more or the bell tower more? Which one do you like more?
Right or left behind you.
The Duomo.
The Duomo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you.
And also our hotel is amazing.
Oh, all right. That's good. Show me, Michael, show me. Oh, the printing press. Wow, Michael.
Next one, portone. Grazie.